Tukzer. Keep on talking about Tukzer dongle. That does it work without the battery? I mean, without the battery, if we remove that battery and after that we are just giving power to this dongle, Wi-Fi dongle, then does it gonna work or not? And it's good, kind of good question if you ask me. So before I want to tell you, I want to just check out in front of you, and it's just working condition. I am removing the battery of this device. That's it. I'm just giving to power to it, and its LED are blinking like that. As you can check out, this battery one is blinking. If we keep on pressing these buttons for switching on this device, does it switch on? Okay, all lights are on now, and all the lights are keep on blinking now. I just want to check out on my mobile phone that does it really showing me the Wi-Fi into my mobile phone or not. Indicators are keep on blinking. No, it's not showing over here. I didn't find the Wi-Fi over here. That means it doesn't work if we just remove the battery of this device, and it's not gonna work. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning.